Is a two-bedroom suite tour at Villa La Estancia in Cabo San Lucas. So this is going into kind of the second bedroom area. And as you walk in, they position this as having two queen beds. You have your television with the bureau along one side, and then as you come and you take a look at the actual two beds in here, this is truly a queen bed. It's a little bit narrow, but it's a pretty good size. You do have your nightstand that includes your temperature control right here, so you can go ahead and make it hotter or cooler, as well as your radio. And there is a plug in the lamp, which I highly appreciate to be able to charge devices. You do also have a desk to the side of the second bed that includes a mirror and a chair if you want to get ready right there. And this also leads directly outside to your balcony, which is ridiculously huge. And of course, it took me a second to open this. We just click the door forward and then it will open where you have access to a grill that I love. And then this is the view that you have from your absolutely huge, magnificent, lovely balcony. I'm going to go back outside there later, but first let's go take a look at the rest of the room here. You are going to have your closets, and inside there you've got a luggage rack along with the robes. Don't take them home, use them while you're here, and extra bedding right up on top. In the other side of the closet, you do have a safe that is easier actually to access, of course, from the other side. So we'll head on over there. You've got slippers, some shelves, and then, of course, this is the same thing. One, two, three, four, and then press the pound sign to lock it. To unlock it, you do the opposite of just the one, two, three, four. You know how that works. The rest of the closet has additional hangers and hanging space, as well as a second shelf. So you've got some more room there for your clothes. And in this bathroom, you are going to have a nice, lovely size mirror that lights up from the side, as well as a gorgeous sink. And of course, you've got your toilet. And then this is your large, beautiful shower that has the L'Occitane shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel, as well as the bathtub and the overhead shower. Coming into the other side of the room, this is where you're going to have a full kitchen, including some bar stools to eat at the island that is right here. You have an oven, a microwave, a dishwasher, a double sink, as well as a full refrigerator and freezer. This unit also has your iron and ironing board here, as well as look at that, a laundry basket, because yes, you do in fact have washer and dryer available in your unit, which is so handy when I'm on vacation. This also has a very large pantry, so if you want to stock up on food to use that huge included kitchen, you have the ability to have literally months of food in this place. This is going to be the powder room. This is the third full bathroom in this unit that does have, again, a large sink and mirror to get ready. And of course, the toilet area, the towels for it. And then directly behind, this is where you're going to have your shower. This is a smaller shower. This is a smaller room. But again, you have, or bathroom, you have the same shampoo, conditioner, shower head, shower gel. And then coming outside, this is where you've got your kitchen, dining room area, as well as a great seating area so you can relax all together. This is a pull-out couch, and that will be a queen sofa bed for you. And then coming into the master bedroom, this is where you will have a king size bed to relax in. Again, you've got a desk with a chair, your television to be able to watch TV while you are in bed, another little seating area. And then let me show you right over here this gorgeous bathroom. So you have a freestanding tub as part of the spa bathroom. This is where you've got a really, really large double sink, huge mirror. And note too that all of these little blue display pieces are all local craftsmen. You have your shower that again has an overhead shower, no handheld shower in these bathrooms. It does have a separate water closet that I appreciate. And then again, you've got another luggage rack, more robes in here, more hangers, another place to store items. And then you're going to come right back outside and look at this. You've got two loungers on your patio, as well as places to sit, an outside chair if you want to have your meals outside. You've got the sink so that you can wash your hands after you've prepared items and an entire counter to prepare them. I showed you already the grill, and then you can go back inside right here. There is a screen. So in the nicer weather, if you want to leave your places open, you can go ahead and just have the screen. But this gives you just an idea of how large this two-bedroom suite in Villa Valencia is in Cabo San Lucas.